Thank you, good night. We're the Marksmen.
Put your hands together for them one more time, you guys, the Marksmen. I heard so many great things about you guys while I was out there. Oh my word, they're amazing, and they so are amazing. We'll definitely have you guys back next year if you would come back next year.
Coming back next year.
Awesome, thank you so much. Come back tomorrow, you guys. We actually have the band Legs, which is a ZZ Top tribute band. They're amazing. They're playing twice tomorrow. There's this crazy curly-haired chick that's coming up tomorrow as well. Along with, I believe there's 8 acts tomorrow. So please come back, hang out, grab a cold one, and listen to some good music and look at some good cars. Thanks for hanging out, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.